In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flashcards in Notion, a powerful tool that can transform your study sessions into something more interactive and efficient. To start, open your Notion app and create a new page. This will serve as the dedicated space for your flashcards. You can give this page a name that reflects the topic or subject you're studying. Once you have your page ready, click Add a Block to choose the type of content. Select Table, which you will use to organize your flashcard content. Within this table, you'll want to create two columns. The first one can be titled Front and the second Back. In the front column, input the questions or terms that correspond to your study material. In the back column, write down the corresponding answers or definitions. Keep in mind that these entries should be clear and concise, ensuring they can be easily understood during study time. Before you dive into the process of filling out your flashcard entries, consider the layout of your table. Adjust the column widths to avoid any unwanted text wrapping, which could cause confusion as you review your content. It's especially important to maintain legibility, so take a moment to preview your flashcards to ensure everything aligns well. Once your table is set up with the initial information, there's an important tip to keep your flashcards effective. Utilize the Toggle List feature to hide your answers. This way, when reviewing, you can challenge yourself by recalling the answer before revealing it. Click on the Answer tab to check it instantly once ready. This simple mechanism mimics physical flashcards, making your digital version just as effective. Don't forget to explore Notion's feature of linking blocks. With it, you can consolidate your notes by linking additional resources or other relevant pages within Notion. This creates a seamless study experience, maximizing the benefits of digital integration. As you build your collection of flashcards, take advantage of this connectivity. Now, another useful tip is to color code your entries based on the level of difficulty or subject matter. It can greatly improve your study workflow, providing a visual cue that allows you to prioritize and tackle complex questions first. Use the color option in the Block Options menu to give the front and back of the card a distinct shade. Finally, when you're ready for a reviewing session, go through your list and test yourself repeatedly. Regular revision helps solidify your knowledge and ensures that the hard work you've put into creating your flashcards pays off. It's a dynamic approach, and as you build your flashcards, remember that flexibility and fiddling with Notion's many features can lead to a truly tailor-made study routine. That's all you need to get started with flashcards in Notion. Stick around on our channel